This is the beginning of part 3 of the video review on SunBlogNuke module for DotNetNuke. Perfect, so now we have two blogs, and it says here, one is linked to tab 121, 122. You don't need really to care too much about that. You just need to know that it's linking to this page. When it says related tab, it means related page. So blog 1 linked to blog page, blog 2, which is real estate, linked to blog 2 page. Now, if I go back to my blog 2 page, I will see the welcome message again, because we have just created a second blog, a real estate blog, and the same way as I did before, I can just remove this entry by going back to the admin panel and go back to, because now remember we have linked blogs to the real estate blog, so all those settings here, they are all related now to my new real estate blog. So if I click on the entries, I will see the welcome message that is added to any new blog. So I'm just going to delete that. If I go back to blog 2, there are no blogs there, no posts yet. If I go back to blog, there will be that post that I have placed there. So let's add one post here. So to add a new post, we're just gonna go to admin panel, to entries, and then I can add, well, actually, let's go to the home. Yeah, it's right here, add new entry. Sorry about that. Here's the title. I have some epsilon to put it there. So again, categories, I can manage that. I can add more categories, not gonna touch that. I will be just changing the posting date. Let's just make sure that this will show up. Author, I don't have anyone specified. I can put the post slug. I'm not gonna fill that up, but I'm gonna add a tag here as well. I'm just gonna say, let's say market. I'm just gonna put the term market here. I'm gonna save and publish, and now we have a new post here under our second blog. And as I was saying, as I was telling before, if we go to the home page, we have those extra SunBlog related modules that I can easily go to the widget settings. And now instead of linking it to cars, I'm gonna link it to real estate. When I click update, and again there's just one tag that was added, which is called market. So again, easily you can reconnect those submodules, those accessory modules to SunBlog, to any blog that you may have in your website. One aspect I'd like to quickly mention is the theming feature, theming aspect of the SunBlogNuke module. For instance, if you go here to our first module, let's say that we don't like very much the way this view is showing up, and we want to do some improvements, we want to make some change to it. How can you go about doing that? So you can easily go to the admin panel. Now, just a quick note, I have refreshed my browser's cache, and now the icons are looking slightly different, but that's okay. It's pretty much the same options that we had before with some different icons. So let's just go here to customize, so we can modify the look and feel of the display view of our module, of our blog. And actually you can configure a lot more than that. You can configure the email that goes out when someone posts, actually when a new post is added, there's an email that can go out. Here are the different tokens available to be added to the email. There's also the header and footer of the post details, where you can customize via this template as well. It's empty right now, but there is a bunch of tokens that you can use to customize that. What I want to really call your attention to is for the themes tab here. Now the module comes with 2 themes pre-built, and we can just experiment a little bit with both of them. Let's check this royal yellow, and actually we have to click here under apply. So by doing so, the style was applied. If I go back to the blog page, you can see that the style is slightly different. you can see that the font is different. Now you can further customize that. Let's say that you want to have a horizontal line between posts here. Very easy to do. You can go again to admin panel to customize, and then you can go to the style sheet, the style editor. Now under the style editor you can select a couple of different theme views. And as you can see, you have a text view, comments view, detail view, and basic view. Basic view is the one that dictates the way the list of posts is displayed. And you can see under notes here a description of each one of those different views. I'm just going to select basic view. I'm going to make a simple change here to the editor. I'm going to just, again, you most likely you need to know a little bit of HTML here. Just going to put a horizontal line, which is this tag, just to show that it really does change, that you can easily change the style and the look of the display. So I'm just going to click update. By doing so, I'm going back now to the main page, and it's not here. Okay, I may have changed in the wrong place. Let me give another try there. Let me go back to admin panel, customize, and then style editor, select basic view. Yeah, so the change that I have done is not there. I'm gonna just uncheck this tog editor. I'm gonna try again, HR, update. Yeah, it seems to be here now. Let's go back to the page. And the line that I asked to place is here. So again, very easily you can change the layout, you can change the style of the different views. Actually, that's a key feature of this module. Each and every single view, you can change the way it displays the interface to the user. And that's common across all the different modules that it includes. For instance, you have category list here. If I go to the widget settings, there's a template there as well. Just to make my point, I'm just gonna put a dash in the item template. When I update this, see the little dash is in all categories. So it is a very, very great publishing solution, a very good blog module for DotNetNuke, a very, very powerful alternative to the standard DNN blog module. Now, there are a few things that I most likely I'll do additional videos in the future. One is that this module can import a WordPress blog, and I have done that before already. We can get an export from WordPress, import it to SunBlogNuke module, and that's it. You have just imported a WordPress blog. The other thing that it can import from the standard DNN blog as well. If we go here to the other page, it has something like that. It's called here core blog to SunBlogNuke migration scripts. So you have some scripts here that you can run to migrate from the standard DNN blog to SunBlogNuke. But I will definitely do a video in the future that will cover my experience doing an export and import from WordPress. So that's basically it. That's a module review of SunBlogNuke. Again, great module. Have a look, give it a try. Great support. I'm sure that if you need some help, Baldwin will be able to give you a hint. Okay, thank you very much, and bye for now.